up, guys? So for today's video, I'm going to be spraying the rear bumper fully blue and the roof trim pieces, and that's probably it. I went and bought a whatever they're called, for painting, the workhorses or workhorse, whatever the hell they're called. I got a job sanding crap at a body shop, and I'm really jealous of their equipment, and I realize how beneficial these things are. And I mean, a couple people told me how good they are, but I mean, it was $18 at Harbor Freight. It'll make sanding and painting the bumper a lot easier. Came out great. Battery died right before I was gonna paint, obviously, as always. Wouldn't be me if that didn't happen. Yeah, it came out great. I actually primered with a 2K primer this time that I got when I was at the paint store picking up more silver. And yeah, I sprayed it and then I sanded the primer to 500. And then the first coat or two, it was like a little bit orange peely, but I just kept piling on coats, and I think like by now it just completely started wetting out, and I didn't realize that because I wish I knew that for the car, because then I could have made it crazy gloss like this. But we'll see how that goes. Let me get the flashlight on, although there is a light. Just the flakes are so nice. It's so nice. Like, damn, like this bumper's gonna stand out on my car now. And then obviously I did the roof trim too. As you can see, that's the one that's in between the pillars and the roof, obviously, so it's blue like the roof. Now literally only trim piece I have left is that back quarter panel section, and then after that, that's it, kind of, until I take off the bumper and, you know, sand it all down and primer it with this 2K and do the bumper exactly like this too with silver, because I do want to do the bumper again because there is run marks and the paint did peel, like I said. So that's gonna be it for this video. Next video most likely is gonna be a mix of putting on this bumper and kind of completing the car, and probably putting on those white pinstripes, because you know how the real livery has it's blue and silver, and it has like white lines on the lines of the livery. Well, I got pinstripes for $20 for 150 feet from the paint store. Saw it, said, hey, why not? I kind of thought the pinstripes were ricey in the game, but I did in real life, and holy shit, it looks really good. I can't wait to show you guys that. Just waiting for a more cleaner day. It's about to rain tomorrow, and going to girlfriend's graduation anyway, so I don't know when, Monday, Tuesday, whenever, I'll do the pinstripes. But see you till then, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out.